Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I give my youngest brother Walid a quarantine haircut as well as pluck his eyebrows. This video will be applicable to anyone who would like to learn how to pluck their own eyebrows at home, whether you're a girl or a boy, and for entertainment reasons. If you would like to watch this video, if you're interested, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to comment in the comment section below your favorite video suggestion. Thank you so much in advance, and let's get started. To cut his hair, I used two settings, 0 and 2. 0 to give a clean transition from his bottom hairline to his neck. The most challenging part about cutting his hair was cutting his hair in the back towards the top, where his hair transitions from long to short. At the top part, you see me going the opposite way using the trimmer, and this is because I just wanted to trim just a tiny bit of it, so this is why I used the other end of the trimmer. I already parted his hair using my finger, and sometimes I use the scissor to part his hair, and then I use a comb to comb his hair inwards, and then with the other hand I was using the trimmer to trim his hair. And for the very short hair that I couldn't get, I used scissors. Then to make it easier for me to cut his hair on both sides, I put his hair up on a rubber band, and I use the trimmer the opposite way of how the hair grows, and I'm trimming his hair all the way to the back. And then the setting 0, I used it for cleaning up his neck to have a clean hairline at the bottom, separating the neck area from the hairline. This is to give a clean and fresh haircut effect. For cutting his beard, I used two settings, setting 2 and setting 2.5. Setting 2.5 for the mustache area as well as the lower beard area, and setting 2 for the upper beard area from the mustache up. The most challenging part of the beard was the mustache area because the surface was not wide enough, so I wasn't able to get all of it. It wasn't comfortable for me to do his goatee and mustache, but eventually I was able to trim his beard and cut his mustache area using a comb and scissors. Be patient, take your time, do it slowly, and then you'll get a hang of it. And as you see, I'm combing the hair, and then whatever is going down below his lip line, I'm cutting it. It's really simple. It's not this complicated. It just requires a lot of patience and just taking your time. For plucking his eyebrows, the first thing I did was plucking the unibrow area, which is very straightforward. It's not complicated. Then I used the tweezers to get a sense of how much hair I want to remove from the lower part of the eyebrow that is closer to the inner corner of the eye. And I'm measuring it visually. I didn't want it to be going too low towards the inner corner of the eyes. I wanted it to be kind of parallel to the eyes in a way that is still thick, but not too thick. You can specify how thick you want it to be, but for guys, I really like thick eyebrows. If they already have thick eyebrows, I like to keep them thick, very manly, not too clean like women's eyebrows. So as you notice, I'm cleaning the upper area of the eyebrow, but I'm not getting too close to the eyebrow itself, just the sparse hair in the upper area of the eyebrow. Then I'm moving back to the unibrow area. So I keep switching areas so that it doesn't hurt him. For you, if you're not very used to plucking your own eyebrows, I encourage you to switch from the unibrow area to the lower brow area to the upper brow area. This way you're not really feeling the pain concentrated just in one area. And now I'm trying to align his left brow with his right brow, and I'm measuring it again with the tweezers. And of course it's not very accurate, but it's close to being accurate. If you want to be more specific and you want to be more accurate with your measurements, feel free to use a ruler or other instruments that you'd like to use. Something that's not sharp, that's not going to hurt your eyes, it's not going to be risky to use. The thickest area is going to be the beginning of the eyebrow, and it's going to be going lower towards the inner corner of the eye. Then it's going to go up in an arch shape. The reason why I'm cutting the hair is because I wanted to clear up the area to make sure that I'm not plucking the wrong hair. And as you notice, his right eyebrow is much thicker than his left eyebrow. If you're just looking at the video, it's the eyebrow that you see on the left side. That looks much more dense from the viewer's perspective, but from Walid's perspective, it's the one located on the right hand side that looks more dense than the one on the left side from Walid's perspective. So now I'm drawing the lower part that's closer to the inner corner of his eye, trying to have kind of a straight line, not completely straight because the thickest area is going to be the beginning of the eyebrow. No one is born with identical eyebrows, so no matter how hard you try to match them, they're not going to be 100% identical. Just try to get them as similar to each other as possible, and that's all you need. That is the final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quarantine haircut, beard, and eyebrow session. Please don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, give me some suggestions for future videos. Thank you so much again for watching, and stay safe. Bye!